Hi guys, welcome back to our live channel again. This is Miranda, and today I'm going to introduce how to use our plastic folding crate. So follow me and let's get started. Okay, when you got this plastic crate, you can like this. It is folded like this, which could save a lot of space when in transportation, and in other words, saves your shipping costs. Step 1, you can open it from the handle reserved in the middle. Step 2, open the two start sides just in the same way. And step 3, fasten the clips between the four corner. You can see 2 corner and 3 corner, 4 corner. Okay. Say easy peasy lemon squeezy. So give you a like and comment below this video if you are interested, and see you next time.